Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to integrate with Zapier. So to start out, we're going to go to the Help Center with an intaker, and you can go to the Zapier article. On step one, it says go to this page and accept the invitation to the intaker Zapier app. So click on the hyperlink on this, and you'll be directed here. Make sure to accept the invite and build a Zap. So next, you're going to click Create Zap. And the first thing you're going to do is add your trigger. So your trigger here will be intaker. And make sure you select the latest version. The event, there's only one option, new chat. And then continue. You just click intaker new and continue. So for here, you're actually only going to fill out organization name, which will just be the name of your company. For the example, it just uses my name. You don't need to fill out the bot name or prompt name. And then hit continue. When you do this, you'll be testing your trigger, but because this is a demo, the trigger won't actually work. So I'm just going to skip through it. So you would click test trigger to make sure everything's working properly, but I'm going to skip the test. So next you're going to create an action. The most common action is generally connecting to a CRM or to Google Sheets or any of the apps below. Each setup is going to be different, so I won't show you that, but if you have any questions, you can always contact our Integra team and we're happy to walk you through it step by step.